Hi, I'm Mimi. Yeah, I'm a talking cat. I live with my pet humans. They can be pretty messy, but they're okay. I love looking on Cat Talk for the latest hacks. So what are we waiting for? Let's do this! Whoa, a talking doll! Now I've seen everything! She knows you can buy leggings, right? What is she doing? She's making a table! That gives me an idea. I need to raid the freezer. Aha! This doll was chilling. I better speed things up. It's smashing time! This feels great! It's awesome! So long, stress! This is taking too long. Let's turn up the heat. A hairdryer will do the trick. Does that feel nice? I should be a comedian. You're free at last. Let's get you out of there. Okay, this might hurt. I need to borrow an arm. I'll push it into clay. I'm like a cat Frankenstein. So far, so good. I'll need more clay. I'll draw a face on it. I don't want it to look creepy. I'll add the finishing touches. Wow, it's a masterpiece! It's like looking in the mirror.
Mimi, where are you?
Huh? What's that?
Is that my doll?
Barbie! What happened to you?
I don't believe it.
Who did this to you? Tell me.
I'm so confused.
It's showtime! Mwahaha!
What's going on? Hold me, Barbie.
Oh, Alex. Let's play a game.
Who said that? Who's there? A monster.
Save me, Mommy!
Let me out of here.
You're on your own, Barbie!
See ya! Just like I planned. What's going on here? Is she using candy as makeup? Wow, every day is a school day. That shade would look good on me. Let's give it a try. It sounds like Alex is in trouble.
Sonny, no, I didn't mean it like that.
Unbelievable. I can't do this.
She's really mad.
This is my chance. This is where my fish went to. What else is down here? Arrivederci, Mario. Is there a toilet you should be fixing? This is what I'm looking for. Let's get to work. I'll sprinkle the candy onto this card. Look at all the pretty colors. I'll start with the red one. It tastes good. I've always wanted to be an artist. Call me Picasso. This will be a work of art. People will talk about it for generations. I've almost finished. Wow, this should be in a gallery. Sometimes I surprise myself. I'll leave it right here.
I need to make this up to Sunny.
Huh? Where did this come from?
This is pretty good. Mimi, did you make this? Is it for me?
Seriously? Do I need to do everything? Call Sunny.
Oh, right. You're the best.
Hey.
Ugh, what do you want?
This is for you.
Is that a card? Aw, Alex, it's so romantic. You know how to spoil a girl.
Thanks, Mimi.
It's what I do.
Let's have dinner later.
Ooh. What do we have here? Is that toothpaste? That doesn't look right. It's not even minty. I need to try this. Let's roll.
That feels good.
Jackpot, that's what I need. I better grab it. So close. I need to work on my lasso skills. That's more like it. I have to get rid of the toothpaste. Now I can squeeze it out. I feel like I'm giving a massage. These paws are miracle workers. That's all of it. Now I'll add paint. And my special ingredient. My favorite cat food. I'll seal the tube. I'll put it back in the bathroom. Alex will never know.
Where's my toothpaste? Here it is. I want my teeth to sparkle. I need to scrub them. Wait a second. Something isn't right. This tastes different.
Eek! My teeth!
They're blue!
Blurk! This is gross!
How did this happen?
Don't look at me. What's next? It's important to use sunblock. The lobster look is never good. Wait, is that glue? It's a prank! She's stuck. I have a plan. There's Alex.
I love a good book.
Time to ruin his fun.
Nap time!
Big mistake, Alex. I'll need sunblock. I like to protect my fur. I want to coat my paws. It's so gooey. Okay, that should do it. Looking good. Alex is still sleeping. He's gonna regret this. I'll give him a helping paw. That's perfect. I'll add a few more. And now, I wait. Okay, son, do your thing. Crank up the heat. I think Alex is waking up.
How long was I sleeping?
It's getting warm. No, I'm pink! Are those paw prints? What is going on? This is not a good look!
Gotcha!
It stings!
Aw, that's cute. Everyone likes a love heart. Now what's she doing? It's too dark. Whoa, no way! It's inspired me. I need to find lipstick.
I'm so pretty! I can explain. Don't tell anyone.
Why am I not surprised? I've got more important things to do. I've got art to create. Love hearts are so last season. I'll draw a self-portrait. Wow, it's magnificent! Now for the finishing touches. Alex, you need to see this.
What's wrong, Mimi?
It's in the bathroom.
Oh, okay. Wow, so cool. I love it.
I knew you would.
I better clean the mirror.
You're ruining it!
It's spotless.
No, Mimi, let's talk about this. We'll make it up to you. Trust me! Mimi, please, I'm begging you.
I hope that's chocolate. It looks like something in my litter tray. Ooh, sprinkles. She's kissing the candy. Okay, I get it. I know what to do.
Ooh. I love chocolate. I'm gonna enjoy this.
I'll take that.
Where did it go? What?
This is important. I need to shred it. This is going well. I'm happy with that. It needs to go into bowl. I want all that chocolatey goodness. Then I'll melt it. I don't want to get my paws dirty. I'll dip it into the chocolate, then into sprinkles. This is fun! I need to show Alex.
Ooh, what is that? Snack time. These look yummy. I can't wait to try them. My mouth is watering. Tasty. You're a genius, Mimi.